Pulling in some deadheads, some danger to navigation here. I can't even see if I got it in the camera.
Don't be putting this stuff on YouTube now.
I won't.
Damn, the bigger water quality will be given right into the kitchen. Taking stuff out of the water.